Scene opens in a spacious robotics lab filled with tall shelves of components and a large testing area. The sound of quiet whirring motors fills the air. Elon Musk walks in, observing a tall robot with wheels and arms. Narrator VO. Handle. Boston Dynamics revolutionary robot merges the agility of legs with the efficiency of wheels. Designed for material handling and logistics, it pushes the boundaries of robotic mobility and productivity. Handle smoothly rolls forward, its dual wheels spinning, arms extended with precise control. Narrator VO. Standing over 6 feet tall and weighing nearly 180 pounds, Handle features a hybrid locomotion system. Its two powerful electric wheels provide speed and smooth navigation, while its articulated legs assist with balance and dynamic movement over obstacles. Close-up of Handle's motors and actuators working seamlessly. Narrator VO. Equipped with custom-built electric actuators, Handle delivers powerful, precise motion. These actuators control its arms, legs, and wheels, enabling it to lift heavy payloads while maintaining perfect balance. Engineers integrate sensors into Handle's chassis. Narrator VO. Handle's sensory suite includes LiDAR, stereo vision cameras, and force sensors. This array gives it real-time 3D mapping and object recognition, essential for navigating cluttered warehouse environments. Elon Musk steps forward. Interacting with engineers. Elon Musk. The future of logistics depends on machines that can move swiftly and handle complex tasks autonomously. Handle's design is a step toward fully automated warehouses that can operate around the clock. Handle lifts a large cardboard box, stacking it precisely on a pallet. Narrator VO. Its robotic arms are capable of grasping and manipulating a variety of packages, from fragile to heavy. The arm's dexterity comes from multiple degrees of freedom, allowing Handle to stack, sort, and load with human-like efficiency. Scene shows precision machining of Handle's components. Narrator VO. Manufacturing Handle involves advanced CNC machining to create its aluminum frame parts, ensuring strength without excess weight. Electric actuators are assembled with strict tolerances, calibrated to deliver smooth, responsive action. Technicians install and test battery modules. Narrator VO. Powered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, Handle can operate continuously for up to 2 hours. Quick-change battery packs minimize downtime in busy industrial settings. Software engineers code autonomous navigation and manipulation algorithms. Narrator VO. Handle's onboard computer processes sensor data using AI-driven algorithms. This software enables path planning, obstacle avoidance, and adaptive grip force control, making Handle a versatile and reliable work. Narrator VO. Its hybrid wheel-leg locomotion allows Handle to move swiftly on smooth floors and adjust to ramps or uneven surfaces. This versatility makes it ideal for complex logistics environments where flexibility is key.